Hi guys, it's me again. Today I'm cooking some tacos, my version. And this is all the ingredient. I had onions, white onions, green and red bell pepper, garlic, ground beef. I had some black pepper, garlic powder, taco seasoning, and salsa. And all this, what do you call this? I had some lettuce, red onions, tomato, lime, and cheese. So that's all together. Now, I'm gonna start cooking. First, you heat it up. You have the pan, and you put cooking oil. Wait for a second to heat up the cooking oil, and you're gonna add. First, you're gonna put garlic. First onion. Onion first. Onions. Medium heat. And then you put the garlic. Until it turn brown. Like, wait till it turn brown. Cover it for like 3 minutes. Then I had this ground beef. Okay, now it's time to put the ground beef. Stir it. Ground beef.
I'm gonna pause for now.
And then cover it. Pause it first. Now it's next you put the bell pepper. And then salsa. It's a spicy a little bit. Spicy a little bit now. Salsa. Black pepper. Taco mix, tacos. Garlic powder. Mix. You can add some salt if you want, but this is good enough. Let it boil. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes. Cover up. Okay, and put it like 5 to 10 minutes to warm up the taco. What's it? Let me check. Oh. Five more minutes. Looks so yummy. 5 more minutes and then it's done. Now it's done. We put it on the looks so delicious. Turn up the heat. Okay, now cheese. Yes. Onions. The finished product. Let's eat. And the salsa, get the salsa, not give me the green. Green. It's up to you if you wanna get green. Get some salsa. Salsa. Yummy. Let's eat. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys again for my next cooking video. Have a good day. Bye-bye. I hope you enjoy and learn something today.